I'm going to show you how you can easily put pictures and letters on Canva. First, open Canva on your PC. Now, from the left-hand menu, click on Text and choose the Headings option. Then type the letters you want to use, like a word or phrase. After that, increase the size of your text to something large, like 104. Next, click on the font name at the top and select the font that best suits your design style. Once you've selected the font, your text is ready. Now, on the left side again, click on Elements. Here, you will find various shapes to use. Select a square shape and drag it onto your canvas. Then resize the square by dragging the corners until it's large enough to cover one of the letters. You want to make sure the shape fits nicely over the letter. After resizing, right-click on the square, then click on Layer, and choose Send to Back. This will send the square behind the text so you can see the letter again. Next, click on Background Colors and select a background color for the entire design. Now, if you want to change the color of your letters, click on the text, and a color option will appear at the top. Choose the color you prefer for your letters. Once everything looks good, click on Share in the top right corner of the screen. Here, click on Download to save your current design to your computer. Then click on Download again to confirm. After that, go back to Canva and click on Uploads on the left side. Now, click on Upload Files and select the file you just downloaded from your computer. Once the file has uploaded, drag it onto the canvas and increase its size to make it fit. Now select a background color for your new canvas by clicking on the Background Colors option. Then, place the uploaded design on the canvas. Click on Edit and choose Background Remover to remove any unwanted background from the design. Next, in the Elements section, search for any image you want to place inside the letters. For example, type ice cream or anything else you want to use. Select the image and place it on the canvas. You can add more photos if you want to fill in each letter with a different picture. Now, right-click on the image, go to Layer, and select Send Backward to move the image behind the letters, but still in front of the background. Adjust the size of the image to fit within the letters, making sure it covers them just right. Next, if you want to change the colors of your letters again, you can do so by going to the Colors option and selecting the colors you like. After everything is set, click on Share, then Download and choose the page you want to save. Finally, click on Download again and save the design to your computer. Once saved, you can upload the final version back into Canva by going to Uploads and clicking on Upload Files. Now, place the image on the canvas, click Edit, and use BG Remover to remove any last bits of background from the design.